The F-35 Lightning II is one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, developed by Lockheed Martin as part of a Joint Strike Fighter program. It's designed to be a multi-role aircraft, capable of performing ground attacks, reconnaissance missions, and air defense with equal precision. The aircraft comes in three main variants: the F-35A for conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B for short takeoff and vertical landing, and the F-35C, designed for aircraft carriers. One of the standout features of the F-35 is its stealth capability. The aircraft's angular design, special coatings, and internal weapons bay all contribute to a radar cross-section that makes it nearly invisible to enemy radar. This gives pilots a huge tactical advantage by allowing them to engage targets before being detected. The jet is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, which is capable of producing over 40,000 pounds of thrust. This gives the F-35 a top speed of around Mach 1.6, or roughly 1,200 miles per hour. While it's not the fastest jet in the sky, it's optimized for agility, survivability, and versatility rather than pure speed. Inside the cockpit, the F-35 is futuristic. Pilots use a state-of-the-art helmet-mounted display system that lets them see critical flight information projected directly onto the visor. This includes data like altitude, speed, target tracking, and even 360-degree video feeds from cameras mounted around the aircraft. The pilot effectively becomes part of the jet's systems. Another impressive aspect is its sensor fusion. The F-35 integrates data from its various sensors and presents a single, cohesive picture to the pilot. This reduces information overload and improves decision-making in complex combat scenarios. It's like flying with an AI co-pilot that handles data crunching in real time. From a performance perspective, the F-35 isn't just about firepower. Though it certainly delivers with a mix of air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, including precision-guided bombs and missiles. It also excels in electronic warfare, surveillance, and intelligence gathering. Its ability to operate across multiple domains makes it a force multiplier for any military. In terms of design, the F-35 emphasizes modularity and ease of maintenance. Many components are shared across the three variants, simplifying logistics and lowering long-term costs. The jet's software can also be updated regularly, which means it evolves and adapts even after it's deployed. Despite its advanced technology, the F-35 has faced criticism, particularly around its cost. Each unit can run over $80 million, and the overall program cost has been in the trillions. However, many defense experts argue that its capabilities justify the expense, especially when factoring in how it replaces multiple older aircraft in a single platform. In the end, the F-35 represents a leap forward in fighter jet technology. Its blend of stealth, sensors, and networked warfare capability